Let's look at how do we handle the admit and discharge of IPD patients. To admit a patient, typically in the hospital, the patient would have come for the OPD or for any kind of treatment, and then the doctors would have recommended that he should be admitted into the hospital. So in that case, you should, using registration, create an OPD visit for that patient, and then when the patient gets moved to the IPD, then use the ADT application here to admit that patient. So let's look at, to admit, what we need to do. Click on the ADT application. Go to the All Patients tab and search for the patient which needs to be admitted. You need to enter the entire registration number, or you can search by the name of the patient. So I'm searching for the patient ID. Since I searched by the patient ID, it directly took me to the patient, from the patient queue directly to the actual action to be done. If we were searching by the name of the patient, it shows all the patients whose name, either the first name, middle name or last name, has those letters. So we have Ramesh Maruti Santoshwar. Then select whether you want to admit this patient. Provide the notes. And then start the IPD visit. This will close its current visit of OPD and create a new visit. And you should be able to see that patient in all admitted patient list. So the Ramesh Santoshwar is now present over here. Same way, if the patient is already admitted and he comes for a discharge after whatever period of time that he is in the hospital, you would do the discharge, the IPD bill in the ERP application, but you also need to do a discharge from this application. So go to the ADT again. Now that this patient is already admitted, you would see that patient in all admitted patients tab. Click there and then select the patient whom you want to discharge. So we will pick up again the same patient, Ramesh Santoshwar, and then discharge that patient. So in the patient movement, you would see the option to discharge patient. You can provide the name, notes for the reason for which he is getting discharged now. Discuss patient not well, and then you say discharge and close visit. In this case, the IPD visit which was opened would also get closed. Now the all admitted patients tab should not show us Santosh, which you see here, which you don't see. Okay. So this is how you do an admit and discharge of a patient.